Wait. Alright. Yep, chat's working. Okay. Um, Today I'm just like playing with my cat for some reason. Yeah, my cat's on me. I don't know. It's okay. I just started it. You're loading right now? Alright. I'm laying with my cat right now. Like, my cat's really on me. So, yeah. My cat's literally just on me. Play for second, meanwhile there's a cat on me. Sure. I'm about to like something in chat of my username. All right, let me just let me let me let me Nope, I'm probably gonna get kicked. Let me get. I have a chat on there. I can't really play like this. Server. So I was thinking of do you? I was gonna plan to join like X runners and like like show like viewers who are watching the stream like the game that we're working on. I was gonna ask if I can do that or something. Just to create like a community or something. I don't know. Just giving ideas. Yeah, like maybe a sneak peek. Sure. Alright. But after this cat gets off me, I'll do that sneak peek. Yeah, Alright. When do you want to do it? I'll let you pick. Honestly, after this round, okay. What's restarting round manager? Please wait. Wait. Alright. Okay, you added me. Alright, I guess I'll. Alright. I guess different server. Are you this dude? Random. You like that shirt? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Add. Alright. It's steaming, alright. Alright, added you. Good. Do 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 do. So, by the way, I gave Dummy a ability. It's kind of like Zero and Seven's ability a bit with cloning and stuff. I kind of wanted Dummy to be like maybe like a character that like trolls like the killer and stuff. I don't know. It's as so yeah. He has kind of like a troll ability. I don't know. I don't know. And basically, when the killer gets stunned by his troll, basically it just says, like, you got trolled with a cat, like, ow, with a face. Ow. I just think. You love that idea? Alright. I already added it to the game and stuff. Like, I added it, like, a while ago before it was, like, destroyed and stuff. Like, before the AI ruined everything. Oh, yeah. Wait, is there a hacker in the server or something? So, I don't know. They're just saying like someone had a limited stamina apparently. Anyways, I remember the point to make like a lot of this around. Oh yeah, I remember that. That was like the main mechanic. You can't read chat?
Hey, Mike, you just
I had a better round last game. Alright. Sorry, Savage. Sorry. I need to get to my computer. I'm gonna release the game a bit early before privating it. I don't know. Computer. Never mind. Yep, a live demo test. Yeah. Tech. Sorry. I'm gonna be AFK. I'm gonna feed my cat for a second. Before releasing the demo, really quick. I'm gonna feed the cat. My cat. If you guys can hear him or something. You wanna play ball? Too late. you go. Right, you got last minute standing, but you died. Oh. Wait, I'm gonna leave the server for I can release like the testing really quick. Let me release the game early. You guys will I guess just see uh yeah, you guys will just see the Roblox logo for a second. Oh wait, I also have to make it. I have to give it. It's going to take a while, guys. I'll tell you guys when it's done being released. Enable microphone. All right. I don't know what I'm singing or something, but places, settings, public. Wait, experience is not yet. Learn more. Oh yeah, to add maturity. By the way, I'm gonna ask like Fundin and stuff. Since he's like the original creator. Does this game contain violence? Yes, certain violence. I'm guessing mild, but it's repeated. Does this experience have blood? Yeah. Does this experience have blood? No? Alright. Does this experience promote fear? Or, like, does it, like, cause fear? I don't know. If you're a scaredy cat, I guess, yeah, I guess I can say mild, but like, I guess repeat. Does this game contain humor? No, I'm gonna say no on that one. Does this game contain gambling related content? It will one day? Okay, I will just say no for now. Is this game a social hangout? No, it's not. Does this allow players to create their own thing? Or use AI? No. Does this experience provide sensitive issues? No? Cross experience connect. Does your experience allow players to view or others' experience on Roblox? No. Does this experience allow AI interactions? No. Does this experience have paid random items? No? Alright. Does this experience allow users to share media, videos, or gameplay that other viewers can see? Yes. I'm going to say yes for that. Does this experience allow feeds with loading videos? I don't know. Okay, we got. It says mild game. Basically, it's going to say like the countries that aren't allowed to be like in the game are Yemen, mostly countries inside of South Cement. All right, guys, the game is posted. Technically, right now, X Runners is a part of my account right now. Like, technically, I own it for a second, but I'm gonna give it back to him. Hey. Yeah, thanks. Alright. And now genre, I guess. Public. Save changes. Alright, we're about to test our Forsaken game that we made. You can join if you want. Alright. X Runners, public testing. The only survivors that works are... Good. Okay, I'm gonna be... Alright. Also, for some reason, I can't run on mobile. Troll. We should fix that. The clone, for some reason, just kills the... I'm gonna change that. The clone actually. Okay, I'm gonna update that. I'm gonna change that. Or how about, I'm gonna give the Dark Knight over a lot of HP. Alright, let's respawn since that's the only way of actually. Alright. This game is also, I'm guessing, Go find humanoid. Then find HP. How much HP should he have? I don't know. Just make a stun. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me see. I'm going. Oh, yeah. It's gonna take like a 5-minute coding adventure for a second, but I guess we can test it inside of the game right now. Oh wait, 4, 3, 2, 1. Four, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Noob. Right, alright. By the way, feel free to test the game out. Yeah. I'm gonna allow anyone who wants to, test the game out early, publish to Roblox, version name X. Alright, I updated it. Save to Roblox. Publish. Oh yeah, I also is there just for us to contest. Yeah. It's only there just for we can test it. Yeah, technically you're the owner. Oops, I accidentally chose the wrong character. Forced to kill her. In. Alright. How long does this last for? Oh. I also have a Do you have any other ideas like for like noobs abilities? Feel free to not noobs. I meant dummies abilities. Feel free to say it in the chat if you want. Did I literally just die? What? Oh, did the round end or something? By the way, we can still join the game. Yeah, Force into Survivor. Oh, you killed me then, troll. Oh. Wait, I think we need to, rejoin the server, really quick. Real... Shut down the server, Sorry. Alright. Alright, you guys can join now, and then after this public testing, then we're gonna do, like, the official, like... We're gonna do, like, the official, we're gonna play Forsaken again or something. Ow. Do you have it? We should also add a system where basically, we should add a last man standing system and stuff. I feel like we should add a last man standing system. Are you sure, Savage? Are you sure you want to go outside? I'm talking to my cat, by the way, sorry. Please. The only survivors that work is, What the? Yeah, let's let's nerf that. How about I edit the game while we're like in between rounds and stuff if I die in the Forsaken. Alright, I'm gonna turn the stream back into a Forsaken stream. Thank you guys for being here. But yeah. Oh. Sorry. I'll be right back. Alright, 'cause, 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 'cause Anyways, guys, sorry I'm back. Come. Sorry, I'm talking to my dog. It's back to a normal Forsaken stream. Maybe more tests later. All right. Yeah. Well, I'm in between this round. I'm gonna say can you not kill? All right. I know what you mean. I know what you're meaning. Just make the killers. How long should it stun the killer for? Yep, and I'm in game. Do you guys? I've been working on a game that's with a few friends. It's inspired by Blocktails and and Undertale and stuff. And also a bit of Deltarune. I'm pretty sure Guest 666 is like the easiest killer to hit with the Crystal Pitch or something because of how large their hitbox is. I'm dead. Uh, yeah. What did you say? Alright. I'm the killer next round, but, yeah. Alright. I was also planning to create like a teleport ability and stuff, where he basically like puts like he puts something inside the ground and basically he'll just teleport to it and stuff. Like he'll teleport to it, and if the killer's like on while he's teleporting. I don't know, I was thinking of creating like a teleport like ability. So the next time he uses it, he teleports to that object and stuff. Last second again! I can't. Alright, yeah. So there's a random glitch that appears in some servers where the abilities just don't really work. Yeah. Yeah, in X Runners. Basically, there's a glitch that, like, makes the abilities just, like, not work for some reason. So I was planning to create a fix for that. Oh. Oh. By the way, by the way, do you have any idea for, like, lore of the game and stuff? Do you have, like, any lore ideas? Ow. Some rounds you can't, like, run. Oh. Sorry, I haven't been, like, a lot into the game that much lately. Ow. Okay, you're in a round. I know. I'm gonna do, like, a public test. I'm gonna do another public testing, like, later. By the way, do you think the new map that we're working on is finished or something? Do you think it needs more time? You don't know? Yeah, like Flaming Forest. Do you think it's finished, or is it still going to be worked on? Does it still need to be worked on? Now. It's yeah, I can tell. All right. Oh yeah, it's almost finished. Yeah. What do you think the lore of the game should be? I don't know. Sorry. Also, I should probably start paying attention and stuff and get. Ow. I'm pretty sure this map also let me charge my phone. How did that not hit? Well, I'm dead. So the lore so far is the characters are in a warlish thing, and the killers are out to kill them. Why is it meant to be a mystery? And they just hide in a bunker. Alright. I would say I would say today's stream was kind of like a Q&A and stuff. I don't know. I just felt like it's like kind of a Q&A of like lore of the characters and stuff. I don't know. Is a character called Lorlock, who is the extra version of the Spectre, but he's less messed up and shows up from time to time, watches the machine. So, watches from his magical one. Watches from his magic throne. Yeah. I'm gonna like keep the stream running for like a couple more minutes. Should we do another playtest and stuff? By the way, what with Dummy and stuff? I have a quick question for Dummy. Like, what should the effects be like when Dummy like I don't know, when Dummy clones and stuff? Like, I think we should add like effect where if he gets hit by his own clone or something, when it explodes or something. I promise next stream, guys, the stream will be more focused and Forsaken and stuff. Today is just like a stream that, I don't know, like experimenting like what I can do and stuff. Looks like we're facing against the Executor. I don't know, just said a joke. Alright. Gives him. Will be violated. Alright, Alright, are we gonna do another public testing or something? No, Alright, let me just, do something for really quick. Oops, I've been distracted this stream. What? I didn't add the update yet, but... oops, let me just, I didn't add the update yet. Let me, do it really quick. I won't be doing a stream tomorrow, but I hope all of you guys have been. Ow. Oh dear. It still does damage, like a. It still does damage for right now, but I'll be fixing that. Yep, like that. Give me a quick second. Hello. Hello again. Oh. Bye. Hope you had fun watching the stream. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, never mind. I should also add where that, you know, like you actually can move while using the rainbow carpet and stuff. Yeah. All right, the update is almost ready. Also, noob can't jump. Oh. All right, the update's done. Alright, it's been published. I'm gonna also add more abilities to Dummy also. If it doesn't appear on your screen, oh. By the way, guess 666, it doesn't work right now. Also, what the... The only killer that works right now is, the Dark Knight right now. Okay. We're gonna soon add abilities to those killers soon, but, it's not out yet, but... Let's see, does it work? Never mind, okay. Let me just restart the server real quick, okay? If this doesn't work, you can still join if I kick you and stuff. You can still join. Alright. Also, I should add last man standings also. Oh, thank you. Let's... Oh, did the stun work? No. Oh. Well, at least it blurs your screen or something. How about we just make that... How about we just say that it does that instead of, like, stunning you? How about it just, like, blurs your screen or something? We should add other mechanics and stuff. All right. The game. Everyone, rejoin the game. The update is going to. Update time is going. Oh yeah, I remember you from yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, I did. Wait. Yeah, it's time. It's the dude who subscribed to me last stream. Well, he said. Yeah. Oh, never mind. Oh. At least we made a workable, like, Forsaken, like, game and stuff. At least we made it playable. He was, like, a random dude who joined the stream and just said, like, okay, I'll subscribe, and then, yeah. Feel free in the chat or in, like, inside of servers and stuff. Feel free to, you know, say ideas and stuff. Feel free to say ideas, like, if you, I don't know. It's not done yet, but, like, feel free to say ideas, like, for, like, survivors and stuff. Or, like, abilities for killers. Because we're still looking for ideas, I believe in. Alright, with this next update, I'm gonna add last man standings. Ooh, guest can have by, yeah. Yeah. I feel like that would be like his M1, yeah. Yep. And it also can be like a, yeah. And also, I was thinking of adding chase themes, but they're all gonna be like, I'm gonna just like find random like music IDs for right now and stuff, and just like, I don't know, like put. I don't know. Why am I stuttering to say this? I'm gonna. Make the music fit, bro, though. Yeah. I will make the music fit. I'm just gonna, like, use, like, random music ID just for right now until we can hire, like, people who can actually, like, make chase themes or, like, last man standing themes. It's, like, a placeholder until, like, it's, like... Hey, when we get Robux. Alright. I have a question. Is there killer PvP? Or, like, can the killers attack each other? Ooh, they can! They can! We can have killer PvP. but it's going to like take a while. How about we add like game modes inside of like, for example, like Die of Death has game modes. How about we add game modes and stuff? We don't have the time to fight. Yeah, we don't. How about whenever it's like a game mode, how about it makes all the killers' HP like set to like 500 or something? You know, since there can be killers that have like huge amounts of HP. Yes. Alright, update is coming. Yeah. Publish. Alright, it's published. Okay. Alright. Also, I have a question. Can I rework the logo and stuff? I can try to draw, like, the logo and stuff. Alright, I added the last man standing system. Wait, really quick. How about you kill for a second? Let's see. Maybe it happens if I'm like the only survivor standing. No, it doesn't. The last man standing thing. The last man standing doesn't work. Or oh wait, it's probably programmed. It's probably programmed to like if like check. So basically, we only like need like 2 survivors inside of a server. I'm guessing. Also, I should add where mobile players can run and stuff. I have a question. What is wrong with Guest 666? Why is he like literally just stuck in the ground? Like, look. He's literally just stuck in the ground. There's a run ability. No, like the you don't know. Alright. Make it also show if there's like 2 players. Should we release some new abilities this stream? Okay. Hold up on your yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to end the stream soon. I'm going to work on the Forsaken game with well, mostly the game with my friend and stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. And bye. Sorry we couldn't do much game game. Bye.